Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a rear diffuser on a BMW 1 Series. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and an 8mm socket. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat surface. It's also a good idea to visually inspect your new diffuser for any imperfections before you begin the removal process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient upgrade. Now let's remove the old diffuser. Begin by locating the 8mm bolts, typically around 6 to 8 of them, that hold the diffuser in place. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove each bolt. Next, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently unclip the diffuser from the bumper, working your way around the edges. Once all clips are free, the old diffuser should come off easily. With the old diffuser removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new diffuser with the mounting points on your BMW's rear bumper. Apply firm, even pressure to snap all the clips into their respective slots. You should hear a satisfying click as each clip engages. Finally, reinsert and tighten all the 8mm bolts you removed earlier to fully secure the new diffuser. Before you finish, perform a thorough final check. Ensure all bolts are tightened correctly and every clip is securely fastened. Give the new diffuser and the surrounding bumper area a quick clean to remove any fingerprints or smudges. This simple upgrade significantly enhances your BMW 1 Series aesthetic. You've successfully changed your rear diffuser, giving your car a fresh, sporty look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.